All right, so what I'll do now is I will actually clone this project. Okay, so I'll just clone this project. So let me go to one of my directories. So I have created one folder called Django auto deploy. Okay, so I'll open this in my VS Code. Okay, so I'm starting from scratch. There is nothing. Okay, you can just follow along with this video, and you'll be, you will learn exactly how to deploy this, how to deploy any of the Django projects to live, okay, through the CI/CD pipeline and Docker. Okay, so I've opened this, and from here I'm going to open my terminal. Let me make it a little bit bigger. Okay, so there's nothing, and what I'm going to do is I am actually going to say git clone. I'll copy this, and also I have given you the command. Okay, you can simply copy this, okay, and put it here. Perfect. Okay, so once the project is cloned, you can simply go to cd Django Clickmart underscore. Okay, just don't miss this underscore, because I have named this project in this same underscore. Okay, so I'm currently inside this Django Clickmart. All right, so in the Django Clickmart we have two folders. One is this backend DRF, and another one is this front end. So this backend DRF is actually the backend APIs, and this front end is our React code. Okay, so in this one we are actually going to use Docker, PostgreSQL database, and then GitHub Actions for CI/CD, and we'll use Linode server and Nginx as the reverse proxy, and Gunicorn as the application server, and custom domain. We'll connect the custom domain with the SSL certificate. It's completely a full-fledged deployment setup. All right, so let's go step by step. What we are actually going to do is like this. In your local server, you have your source code, okay, like this, and then we are going to Dockerize this code just to see if it works in Docker or not, just to verify. All right, and once we are done with Dockerizing and everything, then we will connect this code to GitHub Actions. Okay, so our code will go to the GitHub. Through the GitHub, it will go to Linode server. All right, and then we will connect the domain in the Linode server, and it will serve to the public using HTTPS after installing SSL. Okay, so that's the plan. Okay, so there are some prerequisites here. So you have to have the Git installed in your system. Okay, so you can just if it is not installed in your system, you can just Google it and you will find it. Okay, to install Git, and Python 3.10 should be installed, of course. I'm sure Python is already installed in your system, and pip should be there, of course it is also there, and Docker desktop that we have already installed, right? So this is what we call the Docker desktop, and then VS Code. Okay, so you can use any code editor, but VS Code is recommended. And we are done with this step one to clone this project, and we have just entered inside this Django Clickmart.